Right, now I'm showing you how our system can use the employee card to scan and arrange for the meal allowance. So in some company you have a daily allowance for your staff, maybe every day 5 ringgit, 10 ringgit. Then we can also limit every week, and then every month maybe 1000 ringgit. So when employee come, they use their card to tap to deduct their meal allowance. Okay, so we can control by creating a separate row for different level. Maybe manager has higher allowance and the normal staff have lower allowance. So under the respective allowance, we can let the allowance to refresh. Let's say every month you can give 2000. So even if they don't finish it, next month they will refresh to another 2000. We can reset to, or we can issue another 2000 every month, meaning to say it will accumulate the previous balance, will carry forward to the next month, and then plus this month 2000. Alright, and then usually we will set daily limit to them, maybe every day 50 ringgit. But for my demo purpose, I set higher lah. Okay, you can have every week, daily, weekly, monthly. Alright, so now I have already set my meal allowance. So in this case, I'm going to add let's say I just order 5 ringgit drinks, place order. Okay, so let's say now I want to use the staff allowance, so I need to go to the payment page and I create a payment method called allowance. I click pay. So under here they can key in the code, or else you can set your policy to always use the card. Just tap. Alright, tap. Okay, this is not the card. Okay, correct already. So it deduct already. So this is employee under cashier 1. Employee name is cashier 1. So let's look at the record. If I go to the employee, alright, this is the employee, right? So if I go to the shift allowance record, I go to the allowance activity, you will see that cashier 1 already deduct this much because I also set service charge and also SST. So this is the record, okay, where I use the allowance for that day. If you set your allowance 5 ringgit only, then the customer, your employee, can use 5 ringgit allowance, the other 85 cents they can pay by using maybe e-wallet or cash. Other than that, you also can use the card for your customer. So sometimes you issue RFID card for your customer as a member, you can do so. So under customer, let's say this customer is Roy. Okay, so Roy, you can see that the reference is already here because I already record the reference ID. So when we go back to the POS system, let's say this is the table. Alright, so I need to tell this system who is this customer. If in this case, for customer you can directly tap only. I tap, Roy immediately out. So for this we can play around with all the membership. You want to give point, you can have a top up, you can let the member to automatically get certain discount, also possible. Alright, so this is how our system can link with a tap card device.